So are you one of them guys that has a turbo 400 transmission and drives it on the street a lot, and you really wish you had reverse lights? This video should help you out a lot, hopefully. Came up with the idea. Well, I didn't come up with the idea, but I was doing a little research and I found a way to get the reverse lights to work with a turbo 400. If yours is set up like mine. Excuse all that mess behind there. It all needs to be cleaned up. Just don't even look at that. But anyway, so with my transmission, my turbo 400, and this applies to a 350 and a Glide and all that too, I gotta have mine in neutral and hit the trans brake to back up. I can't just put it in reverse and back up. Trans guy said don't do that. Keep putting it in neutral, use the trans brake. Cool. That makes it even easier. So what I had the idea of doing was, since this has to be in neutral to back up and I have to hit the trans brake button, that means every time I hit this button, whether it's the bill boost or back up, it's triggering the trans brake solenoid. And let me step out. All right, so what I did was, I took the reverse lights from each side. One side's grounded. And then I spliced them into one single wire. And that wire runs all the way up to the front, all the way to, so I run that wire. That wire runs all the way up through all my mess, and it runs to the blue wire on my nitrous solid state relay for the trans brake. The blue goes to the power of the trans brake. So that means every time the trans brake solenoid gets power, it'll light up the reverse lights because it completes the circuit to the reverse lights. I already have them grounded. So that completes the circuit and it lights up the reverse lights. And I also put some LED ones in there so they're like super bright. It's perfect for if you're in this little car trying to back up in the middle of the night, or if you're, on a highway that's shut down and having some fun. It's good for that too. So what I could do is I could also add in some LEDs under the tires if I wanted to, or under the car. That way whenever I'm backing up, it'll light everything up like some of the guys do. So
You cornage. You cringy.
just another little quick tip video to put out there for you guys. Hopefully it helps somebody out. It's really helpful to have, especially when you street drive a lot and you're backing up out of the gas station or something like that. Now you got reverse lights. I've never had reverse lights on this car since I've had it, so pretty stoked about that. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna be hitting the track soon, I promise.